Hello lovely people, Alyssa here. Today we'll be making a soilless terrarium together. Yes, a terrarium with no soil. Personally, I find it easy to maintain and less prone to mold and algae. If you've not tried it before, give it a go and see if you like it. Let's go! First, you need a container. Usually, it's great to use a glass jar. Try one with thin walls so you can enjoy your plants without much distortion from the glass. Since we're working with moss today, we'll use a closed jar to keep humidity high to keep them happy. Next, you need some hardscape. Today we'll be using some large lava rock, which gives texture for the moss to grab onto and some visual interest in your terrarium. Next, for a drainage layer, today I'm using crushed leca and a pumice mix recycled and sanitized from a previous build. Then you need substrate. Today we're using small lava rock. For your plants, today we're using moss. Moss is great with low light and easy to care for. For tools, tweezers will help you work in a small glass container much more easily. Pro tip: try one with rounded tips to reduce breakage and damage to your plants. Then you need a metal spoon or shovel with a long handle. Now for the build. First, add your drainage layer. This will be your reservoir where excess water collects. For a soilless terrarium like this, a drainage layer is optional because we are using pure lava rock as a substrate, which by itself already drains well. But I still like to include the drainage layer as an aesthetic choice. This is up to you. Next, add your substrate layer. We're using black lava rock today. Then, add your hardscape. Select and lay out the large lava rock until you find an arrangement you like. Now it's time to plant. I usually fill in the nooks and crannies with the plants and try to emulate what they might be like in nature. Feel free to find an arrangement you personally like. Finally, when you're done, give it a good mist and you're all set. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful, click the like button or subscribe for more. If you have any questions or anything else you would like to see, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy planting!